In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the crab stitch to your final crochet project as a border or edging. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. In today's video, we're going to create the crab stitch as a final edging on a granny square. Now, this stitch can be added to a blanket, a scarf, or any project that you feel needs a border or edging. To complete this project, you would need your favorite skein of yarn, your crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and optional, a yarn needle. Let's get started. For this project, I put in a single row of crochets using my turquoise blue. So let's get started with the single crochet. Okay, so to get started, we're going to take our yarn and I'm going to insert my crochet hook so I'm able to pull the yarn through. And then I'm simply going to tie a knot. Okay. Then I'm going to go back in with my crochet hook and I'm going to just pull the yarn up so that I have that loop onto my crochet hook. And I'm going to go ahead and yarn over and chain one. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to go ahead and do single crochets around my edge. So we're going to go ahead, insert the hook in, pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. And then through each of the next chain space, I'm going to insert my hook in, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. All right, and we're going to continue to do this until you get all the way around. So I'll meet you when we get closer to the end. For the last few single crochet stitches, we'll do that together. Insert your hook in, pull through, 2 loops are on your hook, yarn over, pull through. Insert your hook in, pull through, 2 loops are on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm going to go in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and now we're going to slip stitch into the 2. Oops, let's move that over. We're going to go ahead and put a slip stitch into the beginning stitch. And pull through. Okay. Let's go ahead and take our scissors and cut. All right. And we're going to go ahead and tie a simple knot. Now we're ready to crochet our crab stitch. Now a crab stitch is a reverse single crochet. So with a single crochet, we go to the left. When we do the crab stitch, we're going to reverse it and move towards the right. Let me show you how. You're going to pick up your project and we're going to insert our hook in, grab your yarn. I'm going to attach the pink onto it. I'm going to simply tie a knot. Okay. Then I'm going to insert my hook in and I'm going to pull through so I can have that loop. If we were going to do the single crochet stitch, we would have begun stitching towards the left. But because we're doing the crab stitch, we're going to go towards the right. So we're going to take our hook, you're going to insert into the loop, have the hook grab the yarn. You have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to twist, pull the yarn up, grab the yarn, and pull through. That's your first stitch. Let's do that again. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, 2 is on your hook. 2 loops are on your hook. Pull up, yarn over, pull down, twist. Okay, let's do that again. Take our hook, insert it down, pull the yarn through, 2 is on the hook, pull up, grab the yarn, pull through, twist down. Okay, let us do this one more time. Take your hook, twist it down, go inside the loop, pull the yarn down. You have 2 loops on the hook. You're going to pull that up, twist it up, yarn over, pull through. Okay, and what you see is forming is this twisted edging that is beginning to appear as you do this. Continue doing this motion till you go all the way around, and I'll meet you at the end. Now for the last few crab stitches, let's do those together. You're going to insert your hook in, grab the yarn, 2 are on your hook, twist up, pull through. Insert the hook in, 2 are on the hook, twist up, pull through. One more time, insert the hook in, 2 are on your hook, pull through, and now we're just going to do a slip stitch into the next stitch. So I'm going to go up under here and just pull your yarn through. Okay, take our scissors, cut. I'm going to flip the project over. I'm just going to take my crochet hook, insert up under a stitch, and pull that down. Move over a stitch, pull it down. And now I'm going to make a knot. Here is my completed crab stitch edging or border on my granny square. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.